Alright, I've got my HotPoint washer and Whirlpool roper dryer. Got a full load going in there, just a bunch of old jeans, a couple big towels. It's filling up. We're going to let it run all the way through its cycle, and I'm going to let you listen to it agitate, and then the final spin cycle. That way you know that it runs good, everything's balanced, sounds good. Obviously I put it through a 28-point inspection to check everything on it and make sure it works just as close to like new as I can get it. The dryer gets a 22-point inspection, and I'll show you, we'll move the clothes over and show you that sounds great and heats and everything like that. So we'll let that go ahead and finish up, and then we'll come back to it. Okay, so I'm back with this washer, and it's kind of interesting. I had to kind of look it up, because if you go heavy, essentially what it does, it fills up, it agitates for a while, then it's actually going to stop and soak for a while, then it agitates, then it stops and soaks, then it agitates, and now it's draining. And what it's going to do now is go into the rinse cycle. And if you put it over here, then essentially on this side, it agitates the entire time. Without just depending on what setting you put it on, it's how long it's going to sit there and agitate. So it fills up, say you put it on medium, fills up, agitates, drains, refills, rinses, and then it gets here to the drain and final spin. So that's how these work here. It's a little different, but it's actually kind of a cool setup. And so we're actually on the rinse cycle right now, but it is full blast spinning, and I'll show you real quick. It's got a nice super fast spin. Sounds great. So I'm going to go ahead and let it finish all the way up, and then we'll move those clothes over to the dryer and show you the dryer. Alright, and we've got the washer finished up. It's all cleaned out. You see it's nice and clean. And then I've got those clothes moved over to the dryer. You can see both of them are Super Capacity Plus. Nice space. I don't overload them, but you could definitely do a bigger load than this. And so I'm going to show you that it works good. Here, we'll close that up. Here you go. You see that it sounds great. Not off balance or making any weird noises or anything like that. It's all things you'd want to check. I'm going to do is show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So this is a surface temperature gun. Whatever that red light shines on there, it's going to give you the surface temperature up. So we're just going to open this up and shoot it in the heating element tube there. Show you plenty of heat coming out of there, no problem at all. The inside temperature of the dryer, the actual inside will get up to anywhere from 100 to 195, just depending on what you're drying and what you have it set to. But this tube here can get all the way up to 300 and some degrees because the heating element is directly below it. So that's how that works. Then you've got automatic dry on here as well, so you can just hit it on automatic and walk away from it, not have to worry about it. Of course, all of those and everything like that has been checked out to be working perfectly. Then I run a couple loads through just to ensure everything works through and through. So that's it for these guys. I appreciate you taking the time to watch the video. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.